Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to update your chaupal app on TV. So to update your chaupal app on your smart TV, follow these steps corresponding to your TV's operating system. So currently in this video I'm going to walk you through two different smart TVs that you can update your chaupal app on them. So let's get started. So the first is the Samsung Smart TV. So to update your chaupal app on your smart Samsung TV, here the first thing to do is to open your smart hub. So to do that, press the home button on your screen on your remote to access the smart hub, then navigate to the app. So to do that, select the apps to view all installed application. Then after that, you have to highlight the chaupal app, then press and hold the enter button until a submenu appear. Then after that, select the update app, then choose update to proceed. Then if you are using a LG smart TV, just open the LG content store. So to do that, press the home button on your remote, then navigate to the LG content store, then access my app, then select my apps to view your installed application, then update your chaupal. To do that, find the chaupal app. If an update is available, the update option will be visible, then select it to update the app. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to update your chaupal app on those two TVs. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.